Every semester of Dual School concludes with a public showcase featuring students and their social impact projects. We believe it's critical for young people to share their ideas, get feedback, and take pride in their passions. At an exhibition, students lead workshops, give talks, display artifacts, and demonstrate their prototypes. Over 100 parents, siblings, mentors, community members, business leaders, and more attend this event to be inspired by the change young people are creating in the community. Students make valuable connections. Some find partners to launch pilot projects, and others have been offered internships, funding, or resources to move their ideas forward. While the projects change from year to year, what stays the same is the electric energy in the air when everyone comes together to support the next generation of changemakers.